dapat again, yung shaded ay dapat odd siya. Hindi siya even dapat. Very, very good. Correct answer po ay number 1. Number 42. Adoy. Ito naman, this is yung tinatawag natin na spatial reasoning. Ay, wrong spelling. Spatial reasoning. Dito, matitest yung abilities nyo to imagine or to picture out mga images in your mind or yung tinatawag na mental pictures. No? So number 42. Yung tanong is, which cube cannot be made based on the unfolded cube? Sige nga. Again, number 42, which cube cannot be made based on the unfolded cube? Yung sagot ni Mr. John Mark is, dinilit ni Mr. John Mark. Yung sabi ni Miss Martinez is 4. Sir Jason naman 4. Hello. Sige. Diba sa isang, kung ito i-cube natin or pag magiging box yan, of course merong top, merong bottom, merong front, merong back, at saka merong dalawang side. Left side at saka right side. So kung mag-a-assign tayo ng top at saka bottom, sige ganito. Again yung tanong is cannot be. So kung ito yung top natin, 'di ba ito yung top, probably ito yung bottom. Kung ito yung front, dapat ito yung back. Tapos yung dalawa is yung side. Pero kung dito tayo sa number 1, ang nilagay niya dito is ito yung top. No? Ito yung top, so kasi yung cube pwede nating pwede nating tignan on the different perspective. So kung iibahin natin, ito yung top, no? So probably ito yung bottom, and itong side, pwede itong front, pwede itong back. And then ito naman yung side, yung dalawa, left side at saka back side. So tama ba na itong front is triangle? Pwede, correct siya. Tapos yung circle is top, correct. Yung side is triangle din. So correct. So yung number 1 is correct. So pwede yung number 1. How about yung number 4? Sige, yung number 4. Kung ang top natin ay triangle. Sige, the same pa rin. I-delete muna natin yung markings. Again correct na yung number 1. Pwede yan. So hindi natin yan isasagot. Kung si number 4, kung top yung kanyang tawag nito, yung triangle, so probably ito yung top niya. So ito yung bottom. Ito naman yung dalawa, yung side. Tapos yung front, itong circle. Tapos ito yung back. So kung ito yung front, so dapat yung side is triangle. So which is correct din. 'Di ba? Yung side is triangle din. So correct din po yung number 4. Now dito naman tayo sa number 3. Kung top yung circle, ito yung top 2, tapos syempre yung opposite niya is bottom. Tapos kung ang front is ang triangle, front yung triangle, so automatic ito back. And then yung dalawa is side. So kung ito yung front, triangle, no? So dapat yung top is circle. So correct. Correct din na triangle. And then dapat triangle din yung side. Correct. So pwede yung number 3. How about yung number 2? Ano natin yung number 2? Yung number 2 is ganito siya. Kung top yung triangle, kung top ito, bottom dapat yan. tapos ito front, tapos ito back, and then ito side. So kung top, correct. Kung front, front itong circle, correct din. Pero yung side is dapat triangle, no? So mali si number 2. Correct po, ang correct po na answer natin ay yes, very good. Hindi po pwedeng magkadikit yung dalawang circle as side. Kasi dapat opposite yan sila always. So correct answer po is number 42. Number 43 tayo. The same pa rin. Which cube cannot be made based on the unfolded cube? Yan. So kung tingnan natin, ito yung top. Top. So ito yung top. Then ito yung bottom. And then yung front is ito. Front ito. So dapat yung back is yung ito. Yung pinaka, yung mahaba. Tapos yung side is ito. Tama ba na yung side is 4 na dot? So pwede. Kasi itong dalawa is yung side. Pwede. So pwede itong number 1. Now, how about itong pangalawang figure? Yung pangalawang figure, yung top niya is yung 4. No? Ito yung top. So automatic yung atbang or yung ka-opposite niya ng face is yung itong 5. So ito yung bottom. Kung yan yung bottom at saka yung top, yung front niya dito, diba ito yung top. So yung front niya is yung square na shaded. So ito yung front. So probably ito yung back. So dapat yung side is yung circle at saka yung rectangle. So pwede. Correct sa top. And then yung front as circle ay shaded na rectangle. Tapos yung cube, correct din. So pwede yung number 2. Yung number 3 naman, basta okay na yung 1, okay yung 2. Yung number 3, yung top niya is yung 5 dot. So this is top. And then so probably ito yung bottom. And then yung front niya is yung shaded. So ito yung back. Itong dalawa yung side. No? So pasok sa top and then front and then side. Correct din yung number 3. How about yung number 4? Sige, yung number 4 is kung top kanyang kung top yung circle, so dapat ito yung back. Bottom. Tapos yung kung front niya ito is dapat yung 4 ay ito is yung back, no? And then side is yung dalawa. So pwede rin naman itong 4. Pero sir, alin dito yung isasagot? No? Dapat tingnan din natin yung aling side, no? Aling side yung dapat. Yan, especially itong sa number 2, no? Yung isasagot natin is yung number 2. Hindi pwedeng maging make yung number 2 kay bakit? Kasi kung top yung Kasi kung top yung number ito, kung ito yung top, ito yung bottom. Tapos yung front niya is this one. 'Di ba? Ito yung front, ito yung back. So kung ito yung front, kung ito yung front, dapat yung kanyang back or yung kanyang side on the right side, ito is itong circle. Ito po yung circle yung kanyang nasa right side. Hindi dapat yung ito kasi ito dapat nasa left side. So mali po yung number 2. No, hindi po siya pwedeng ma-make out of the unfolded cube. So correct answer po ay number 43. Yes, sarap po itupi. Yan. So, sir, paano ba, how to make it easier to answer this kind of questions? So, actually wala pong technique no kung paano siya answeran ng madali. Yung ginawa ko is ganito na lang kasi hindi ka naman makakadala ng gunting at saka kanang papel na ganito pagdating sa exam na pwede mong guntingin tas pilu-piluin or tupi-tupiin, no? So walang ganyan. So yung gagawin mo lang talaga is mental picture or kaya itong ganito, no? Mag-a-assign ka ng bawat face kung alin dyan yung front, alin yung back, alin yung top, alin yung bottom, alin yung right side, at saka alin yung left side. Yan na lang yung gawin ninyo. No? Sige. Number 44 tayo. Ito. Sabi dito, yung tanong is, which figure is a rotation of the object? Sige. Yung kanilang arrangement is ganito. Star, and then right ng star, kung clockwise, no, kung ganito yung direction, so after kay star is si triangle. No, dapat ganyan din yung direction natin. After kay triangle is a square, correct. After kay square is circle, correct. After kay circle is triangle, correct. And last is yung star na unshaded. So pwede itong number 1. Yung number 2, mag-start tayo kay triangle. Ganun pa rin yung direction, no? Clockwise. Itong triangle, anong sunod sa kanya? Dapat ay square na unshaded. Pero nakasunod sa kanya ay star. So automatic mali yung number 2. Next is number 3. Yan, clockwise pa rin. Start tayo kay shaded na triangle. Anong sunod kay shaded na triangle here? 'Di ba square na unshaded, pero nakalagay dito unshaded na star. So mali po si number 3. Yung number 4, actually the same sila. The same sila kay number 1. No? Kung titingnan natin, yan, the same sila. Star, square, triangle and circle, triangle and circle. So the same sila, dalawa yung arrangement. Pero sir, alin dito yung isasagot? Always isasagot po ng number. Always isasagot yung nauna. So kung isasagot natin ay between 1 and 4, kasi parehas silang tama or the same lang sila ng rotation, correct answer po natin for number 44 is number 1. No, number 1 po always. Again, number 1. Hindi po number 3, hindi number 2. Pwede sa number 4, pero again, sa mga national exams, kapag merong dalawa na sure kayo yan yung sagot, always po piliin yung nauuna. Again, always piliin po yung nauuna. Since the same po yung number 1 at saka number 4, exactly the same po sila, isasagot po yung number 1. Ay, okay. Sorry, kadali lang. Okay. Sorry, number 4 po yung tamang sagot. Sorry. Nakalimutan ko, meron pa pala ito, yung parang circle na dot. Yan, sorry. So dapat yung circle na dot ay in between square and circle. So dapat in between square and circle, hindi po in between circle and triangle. Correct. Very good. Correct answer po pala is number 4. Sorry. Number 4, nakalimutan ko na meron pa palang dot. Yan. Sige, number 4 po yung tamang sagot. Hindi po number 1. X si number 1. Number 4 po yung tamang sagot. Correct. Ang galing ninyo. So for sure, makakapasa na kayo by God's grace pagdating na exam kasi kahit dito pa lang, alam nyo na, nanonotice nyo na yung mga mali. No, di ba? So ang galing ninyo. Congratulations. Correct answer po is number 4. Yes, correct. Number 4 po yung tamang sagot. Yes, 4 yung tuldok. Sige. Number 45. Ito tayo. Sige, number 45. Which figure is the rotation of the object? Alin dito yung rotation ng object? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Sige, tama kayo na yung number 44 is number 4. Sorry. Sige, alin dito yung tamang sagot? Sa number 45. I-correct ko lang muna yung sa number ito. Ay, hindi ko siya mas-change. Sige. Number 45. Ano yung sagot niya dito? Which figure is a rotation of the object? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? 45, sabi ni Ma'am Jen is 1. Sabi naman ni Sir John Mar, 2. Sabi ni Ma'am Inyala, 1. So, sino sa inyo ang tama? Sige. Kung i-rotate natin ito, 2 pala, hihi. 2 daw, sabi ni Miss or Mr. Corpus. Sabi naman ni Sir J. Lord for 1. Sabi ni Ma'am Nara, 1. 1. So, mostly 1. Merong 2, merong 1, merong 2. Sige. Alin yung tama? Kung i-rotate natin yan, kung ito, i-rotate natin, sino yung kaparehas niya ng mukha? Alin dito, sino yung kaparehas niya ng mukha? Diba? Kung i-rotate natin siya, yung kaparehas niya ng mukha ay itong si number 1, no? Parehas na sila ng mukha. Tingnan nyo. Yung shaded part ay nandito. Ito mali siya kasi nasa right na part yung kanyang shaded. Ito rin mali. Kahit na itong number 4, kung i-change natin yan, discard to this direction, no? Let's say ganyan yung direction niya, dapat andito pa rin yung shaded na part, no? Dapat nandito pa rin siya sa dito na part yung shaded. Ala. No, dapat dito siya na part yung shade. Pero nandito man siya sa left. So mali to. Mali yung number 3, 4, 3, 2. So tama is, very good. Ang galing nyo. Correct answer po is number 1. Sana may pang-rotate din sa exam. Babae yung tama, sir. Merisi. Sige. Number 46. Gawin niyo na lang yung mga mental pictures. Which figure is a rotation of the given objects? Yan. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? Alin dito yung tama? Sige nga. Sabi ni Sir Finn, i-rotate mo lang daw yung test paper mo. Correct. Babaliktad mo lang yung test paper.